Dear students, this is Divine's Love Seminar. I am AMRITA VIMALA, teacher, fashion designer, life coach and social worker. I worked as teacher and merchandiser in MNC. I am very glad to start Divine's Love Seminar YouTube channel. Our motto is love and be kind to others. Honestly, this Divine's Love Seminar gives you all positive energy in your heart and mind. From this Divine's Love Seminar, I am going to teach Divine's philosophical words, fundamental spiritual knowledge, Vedic mathematics and love of wisdom. Love of wisdom means the literal meaning representing a deep desire to understand fundamental truth. Divine's love of wisdom. In this video, I am going to give a lecture on Divine's pure love of wisdom. In this world, every human being longing for pure love and care. Yes, it is true. It is human nature. God universe word is first you give your love. Be kind to others and serve others without any expectations. Then God universe will shower pure love to you. We can buy anything from money or hard cash, but we cannot buy pure love from money or hard cash. In pure love, there will be truth and unselfishness. They form our highest idol because in this lies such a manifest power. Here I am quoting about family members' love, friendship love, and business friends' loyal, truthful love. But in the heart of our hearts, we can identify pure divine love and the good it brings. It is the greatest manifestation power. Divine's love of wisdom means not only giving money. We should give pure love, pure compassion and moral support to entire lifetime. My master, hugging saint, will say, Mother doesn't deliberately show any special love towards anyone. Love just happens naturally and spontaneously. Mother cannot dislike anyone. She knows only one language, that is pure love. The greatest poverty experienced in this world today is lack of pure love. When you give pure love to everyone, we can change any negative situations to positive situations. We will have patience, we will take balanced decisions and inner spiritual strength. This spiritual inner strength is Divine's love of wisdom. Next video, I will update Vedic mathematics. God will shower all blessing to all. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all.